This is what you're going to do if you want to add a comment section in Hostinger Website Builder. First, we're going to open the Website Builder editor, which is builder.hostinger.com. And then from here, we're just going to click on Add Elements right here at the left side panel. Now from there, we're going to click on Select, or we're going to select on Embed Code right here. Once you scroll down, you'll be able to see it. And then we're just going to drag and drop it over to our page where we want to put it. We're going to click on Enter Code right here, and then we're just going to select all and then delete this custom code. Now from there, we're going to use a third-party app like Power, or the Power, which is POWR.io. And then I just made a comment section. I have designed it myself, so I'm just going to have to embed it with the code. So I'm going to copy this code right here, and then I'm going to paste it over to our Hostinger page. Now I'm going to click on Embed Code, and then our comment section that I have just created will be added right here once it's done loading. And then that's it. That is how you can add comment section in Hostinger Website Builder. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.